G'day hobby friends! Are you familiar with the scenario? You're in the chaos that is your hobby desk. You're just about ready to drill a barrel, but then you munt it. So prime example here, two Orlocks, I'm in the middle of oil washing, that's why they're a bit shiny. I have totally munted their barrels because I was trying to drill them out. As you can see, I've had to replace them with something. Basically the smoke canisters from a Chimera worked perfectly. So, what's to be done about it? Let me show you the solution I found. I'll tell you what, one of these. Small, but multi-purpose table vise. Basically something for a drill press. You can bolt it down to the drill press or just slide it around on top and it'll hold things nicely. Here I have the little vise. Pretty sure I bought it off eBay. It was very cheap. I'll try and find a link and put it down below for you guys to find this because I think it works great. And then you have these jaws here that can hold things securely. You simply screw them on and it will hold them in place. Or you've got this other option here. As you can see, you've got these little round doodads. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get out this little Orlock bolter here. Prime example. Got these little holes on the side, but I'd like to put a little dish in the top. I've marked roughly the center here, and I'm going to see if I can pin it in place and hold it nicely. Ooh, I've just had an idea. Now these jaws are soft, they're designed to be. They're softer than metal, but maybe not softer than plastic or these white metal miniatures. So what we can do, XPS foam. Always got some of that lying around. I reckon it's going to be perfect because it's going to be just firm enough to hold it, but it won't damage the miniature, won't damage the parts. Yes, this is going to work so well. I can already tell. Fiddle around a bit. Oh, look at that. Look, it doesn't have to be held too tight. It just has to be held tight enough. That is perfect. It's not going to bend it or crush it at all. As per the eyes, looking down from an angle, that's like perfectly square. Alright, so here's another new tool that I've just picked up. This is the Dremel 4250, another new purchase. Seems to have oodles of power, lots of control, and more importantly, very steady. A lot more steady than my shaky old man hands. Alrighty, let's give it a whirl. So essentially what you can do is, you've got this little lever here, that lets you lower it up and down. You can adjust the speed there, it's on and off. You got a few, you're going to adjust the angle of the dangle, and this thing here lets you guide the plunge, as it were. Just like that. Alright, let's stop talking about it, let's do it. I think that's just about perfect. I could have done a slightly bigger hole, but durability's sake, I think I'll leave that as is. That, for a first attempt, was awesome. As I said before, if you are like me and you really struggle with this sort of stuff, maybe this is the way to go. You could probably even just use this flat on your bench and then just pin-vise into the top of that, or with your little wow stick. I think using the XPS foam is an awesome idea, even if I do say so myself. So there you have it, hobby friends. I am genuinely impressed with how good that was. I think it was about $20 off eBay, plus a couple of dollars shipping. It was great, turned up super fast. What else can I say about it? It works. I couldn't have gotten that easily dead center a result pin-vising myself with my hands. So if you struggle yourself doing this, I recommend getting one. I will try and find a link that I can put down below to see if we can get it even cheaper for you. But otherwise, like and subscribe and comment down below and let me know if you struggle with this too. Otherwise, I'm going to have another terrain build video coming out very shortly. And until next time, hobby friends, keep painting that pile of grey shame of yours.